Hey, how you doing? So this fence here have to come out. Because you see these two things here, this is a road. This is the main road, right? So this here have to come out. Okay? This part here was wondering if we could go more in the ground level. The reason being then this amount, this 4950 will become a little less because now you're using a little bit of the basement level. Yeah? So that was the idea. Because once you go a little lower, then this amount will become less because they're calculating this based on the ground level. If it's a good idea, can you edit that? Yeah?